Oxygen. Left you see. To the left. To the left. Too much.
Too much on the clutch.
Yeah, it was kind of tight. Yeah, but it's not tight now. But I got it off, but it's not tight at the track. Sorry, I got hurt.
No, it's all good. Yeah, your time. The time is going, and that's the one I want you to go home with. Not a lot. Yeah, more. Right there. Not bad.
There you go. There you go.
Okay, some more gas.
You gotta get that blue flame.
Right there. Let's go with that. You know the lighter? See the like this? Hold on, it's got the metal in there. You take that metal out. Hold on. Because I want you to do silver this time. Make sure that this is the only part that you're heating up. That's it. And we're going to do silver this time. So, boom. You don't have to, go around the silver. You want to make sure that the pot is hot. The pot is hot, the food's going to cook. You don't want, because you're almost liquid. Hold on. Boom. Stir it around with the fire. Drop a little bit of borax, a little pinch. Is there any borax there? Just a pinch. Yeah, don't stay on it too long. You don't want to burn up the gold.
Woo! And then keep that flame away from your hand.
Yeah,
I saw that. I used to cook, man.
Okay. So I'll tell you what, let me hold the fire. Now